Okay, good morning. Today I will discuss a topic that is the solar energy and how the energy is stored through the solar sun. So first of all, the most easiest solar energy definition, energy from the sun. जो एनर्जी सन से आती है उसी एनर्जी को हम स्टोर करते हैं और उस एनर्जी को हम सोलर सन के थ्रू उस एनर्जी को हम स्टोर कर रहे हैं. बट व्हाट इज सोलर एनर्जी रियली? देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ सोलर एनर्जी. वन इज द थर्मल एनर्जी एंड अनदर वन इज द इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. एक जो एनर्जी है वो थर्मल एनर्जी है, जो दूसरी फॉर्म है एनर्जी का वो है इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. तो जैसा कि हमें पता है कि सन से जो रेज आती हैं थ्रू द रेडिएशन वी एब्जॉर्ब द एनर्जी ऑन द photovoltaic cell, and that photovoltaic cell that are made of silicon material, and that incident radiation of the rays that conflict into the absorption and transmission. So the thermal energy is everywhere. It is the lights of our days. It heat the earth, our bodies and our home. It direct our clothes, all of free. So thermal energy is everywhere. It is light of our daily, and the use of the solar energy for water heating, water cooling, and these are the these energy that are used into the form of the electricity. Now electrical energy use the power of the sun to produce electricity through solar cell, otherwise known as the photovoltaics. Now the sun. The diameter of the sun is 0.39 E9m, 120 greater than the earth. The distance from earth is equal to 4.95 E11 meter, 93 million miles. जो हमें सन से एनर्जी मिलती है वो कितनी डिस्टेंस से आती है? इट इंडिकेट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द अर्थ ऑफ द सन. The center density is 100 into density of water, and T is greater than 1e6k, powered by hydrogen fusion. Composed of layer, the outer layer is the photosphere. Effective black body temperature is 5777 Kelvin. So there are a maximum temperature of the black body that occurs at 5777. What is solar energy? Word energy conservation. Predicted estimation about the rate of utilization of energy resources shows that the coal deposits will deplete with the next 200 to 300 years, and petroleum deposits will deplete in the next few decades. It is found that the amount of the coal is very limited, and there are so much uses of the coal in generation of electricity. So there are some alternative method to obtain the electricity through the solar energy. The most advantage using solar energy is that this is distributed over a wide geographical areas, ensuring that developing regions such as India have access to electricity generation at a stable cost for a long-term future. The huge consumption of fossil fuel has caused visible damage to the environment in various forms. The following table shows the amount of carbon sulfur deposited in the atmosphere. The activity is human vehicle, waste product, etc. The amount deposited in the atmosphere will be 8 billions by human vehicles, by the fossil fuel that is 6.5 million, and deforestation and forest firing that is 1.5 million tons. So these are the carbon sulfur deposit in the atmosphere. We know that when the quality of the air or the oxygen availability in the atmosphere is not in the appropriate amount, then due to the unavailability of the fresh oxygen, it causes that human hazardous and there are several disease occurs. So by the generation of the electricity, when we go for the conventional method, we use the vehicles, we burn the waste product, we use oil, gases, and forest firing. There are huge amount of carbon and sulfur that is deposited in the atmosphere. At present, so many alternative fuels have been developed. Still, they are able to meet only a small production of our actual demand. Now, Earth's energy budget. जो सन से हम लोग एनर्जी ले रहे हैं, इट इज़ वेरी useful due to the no greenhouse effect by the solar energy. Incoming solar energy that is 100%. अब सन से जो एनर्जी आ रही है वो 100% आ रही है, 6% जो है वो एटमॉस्फेयर में रिफ्लेक्ट हो जा रही है, 20% जो है वो क्लाउड में चली जा रही है एंड 4% जो है वो रिफ्लेक्ट फ्रॉम अर्थ सरफेस. अब एब्जॉर्ब बाई एटमॉस्फेयर जो है वो 16% हो गई, एब्जॉर्ब बाई क्लाउड जो है दैट 3%, and conduction and rising of air that is 7%. So absorbed by land and ocean that is 51%. So radiated directly to space from Earth, radiation absorbed by atmosphere 15% and carried to cloud and atmosphere by latent heat, water vapor that is 23%. So these are the Earth's energy budget. Solar radiation. The components of the solar radiation, that is ultraviolet 200 nanometer to 400 nanometer, that the radiation from the ultraviolet that is 8.7%, visible 36.2%, and infrared is 15.3.1. Near infrared 700 nanometer to 1100 nanometer 28.1%, infrared above 1100 nanometer 25.4%, silicon PV efficiency used that regions only heating are अभी 1 घंटे बाद आइएगा, हो जाएगा क्लास. नियर इंफ्रारेड 700 nanometer to 1100 nanometer, infrared for above 1100 nanometer 25.4%, silicon PV efficient uses regions only heating are thermophotovoltaic, average radiation outer space 136.7 megawatt per square meter, radiation on earth surface, volatile form of radiation diffused are being current solar energy consumptions that total 97.55 quadrillion BTU, total 5.881 quadrillion BTU, natural gas 24%, petroleum 39%, coal 23%. जो ओवरऑल परसेंटेज है फॉर द जनरेशन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, नेचुरल गैस से 24%, कोल से 23%, पेट्रोलियम से 39%, न्यूक्लियर से 8% और रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी से 6%. टोटल 5.881 quadrillion BTU, 1% from solar, 47% from biomass, 5% from geothermal, 45% from hydroelectric, and 2% from the wind. These are the current solar energy consumption. तो सबसे ज़्यादा अगर हम देखें तो from the current scenario or graph that from the petroleum we obtain the electricity or the maximum consumptions from the petrol that occurs 39%. Now, historical milestone. 1838, the invented Becquerel observed materials which turns light into energy. सबसे पहले जो सोलर एनर्जी की हम बात करें तो स्टार्टिंग में हमने देखा कि जो भी हमारी लाइट्स हैं वो एनर्जी के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो रही है। विलियम्स एडम्स wrote the first book about solar energy called A Substitute from Fuel in Tropical Countries and was able to power a 2.5 horsepower steam engine. In 1816, August Mauchout used direct conversion of solar radiation into mechanical power. In 1895, Abril Eneas formed the first solar energy company. In 1904, Henry Williams built two huge plants in California to store generated power. He was the first to successfully use power at night after generating it during the day. Historical milestone. 1954, Calvin Fuller, Gerd Pearson, and Darrell Chaplin of Bell Laboratories discovered the use of silicon as a semiconductor, which led to the construction of a solar panel with an efficiency rate of 6%. So, at the beginning of 1960 decade, the generation of the electricity through the solar panel. In 1956, the first commercial solar cell was made available to the public at a very expensive $300 per watt. In 1958, when I, the first satellite was launched that used solar energy to generate the electricity. In 1970, the energy crisis, OPEC, OPEC oil embargo, solar energy history was made as the price of solar cell dropped dramatically to about $20 per watt. The discovery of solar panel and how it works. Basically, all the generation of the electricity by the solar energy that depends upon the solar panels are photovoltaic cell. So first of all, the working principle of the solar panel is such a way that when the sunlight hit the solar panel photovoltaic and absorbed by a semiconducting material such as silicon, सनलाइट जो है वो फोटोवोल्टिक पीवी सेल जो है वो इस पर स्ट्राइक करता है। सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल जो कि सिलिकॉन का है उस सन की एनर्जी को एब्जॉर्ब करता है। इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और नॉट लूज फ्रॉम देयर एटम्स विच अलाउ देम to follow through the material to produce electricity. This process is called as the photovoltaic effect. Already we discussed in the earlier videos that the photovoltaic effect that causes by the movement of the electrons or atoms which allow them to flow through the material to produce electricity. This process is called the photovoltaic effect. An array of solar panels converts solar energy into DC electricity. Array, it is the collection of the solar panels and convert the solar energy direct into the DC direct current electricity. The DC electricity enters an inverter and the inverter turns DC electricity into 120 volt alternating current AC. The AC power enters the utility panel in the houses and the electricity load is then distributed to appliance or light in the houses. This is the blue, a location that accepts an electron, free electron, the proton showing positive, and the tightly held electron that will be the negative. So the first negative character, positive, negative, and so on in N layer, and in the P layer, that the positive character, one is proton, then tightly held electron, and a location that can accept an electron free location. Now step 2, N layer, P layer और इन दोनों के बीच में जो है that is the PN junction. Again step 3, N layer, P layer, इन दोनों के बीच में जो है दैट इज पीएन जंक्शन। फोटॉन्स सन से जो रेज आ रही है दैट एब्जॉर्ब। नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सन से जो हमारी एनर्जी आ रही है that into the step 4 that the generation of the current that occurred due to the movement of the electron. Now discover solar panel and how it works. Discover solar panel that works according to this way. हम किस से बात करेंगे या जावेद से? When more solar energy is generated, it can be stored in a battery as DC electricity and will continue to supply your home with electricity in the event of a power blackout or a nick time. Discover solar panel that works. When more solar energy is generated, it can be stored in a battery as DC electricity and will continue to supply your home with electricity in the event of a power blackout or at night time. When the battery is full, the excess electricity it can be exported back into the utility grid if your system is connected to it. The utility supplied electricity can also be drawn from the grid when not enough solar energy is produced. In the figure, the how the solar panels works, that the solar energy from the sun, the rays comes, the solar panel collects the sun energy and that causes the electricity. By this electricity, the charge controller will store the energy in a battery system that obtain through the sun energy, and battery system DC power is to be generated by the and inverter we convert into the form of the AC power. The flow of electricity in and out of the utility grid is measured by a utility meter which spin backwards when you are producing more energy that you need and forward when you require additional electricity from the utility company. The two are offset, ensuring that you only pay for the traditional energy you use from the utility company. This system is referred to as net metering. Now, solar photovoltaics in India begins as far back as in the mid 70s. Solar photovoltaics programs of the government of India is one of the largest in the world. जो स्टार्टिंग में अगर हम बात करें तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज़्यादा सोलर के थ्रू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट किया, जिसको हम सौर ऊर्जा या सोलर एनर्जी कहते हैं. दैट प्रोसेस डन बाय द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट. Now relief offered by government on SPV manufacturer and user of SPV based products, 100% depreciations in the first year of the installations of the system, no excess duty for manufacturers, the low import tariff for several raw material and components, the soft loans to user, intermediate and manufacturers. Now, solar photovoltaics in India. The promoting use of the PV technology to provide lighting in villages in the form of system, capacity and uses. The system, community lighting system, 1 kilowatt to 2.5 kilowatt, uses a small household lighting system, portable solar lanterns, 10 watt SPV module, lighting 7 watt CFL, lamp for 3 hours a day, street light 75 watt SPV module, charging 100 130 battery to run a 11 watt CFL lamp for dusk to dawn operation, fixed room lighting system 35 to 50 watt SPV module powering 2 CFL 9 or 11 watt, work 4 to 5 hours per day. Water pumping 1 kilowatt 1 kilowatt DC motor, shallow pumping. So these are the uses of the solar energy through the different capacities. लाइटिंग सिस्टम हम जनरली सोलर से घरों में करते हैं, विलेजेस में हम जो छोटे पंप है उसको ऑपरेट करते हैं, सन की लाइट बनाते हैं, वाटर पंपिंग जो है वो करते हैं. तो देयर आर द वेरियस एरियाज by which we obtain the solar energy. Now, practical approaches of the solar energy. This is the auto rickshaw. We can see in the auto rickshaw that the solar panel exists or photovoltaic cells material that enables on the top surface on the auto rickshaw. That the NASA designed the solar powered vehicle that called Helios, and this Helios NASA, we know that a curved structure by which the sun rays comes on the surface on the plate, then it stores its energy. By this, we make a system that operates the mechanism of the plates that moves into the sea water surface. Now, practical applications of the solar energy. We make a set of arrangement of the semi-autonomous war machine that called Odysseus, in which we make a different panels and attach with a structure that collects the energy and obtain the motion by this electrical energy. We want solar power. We know that the power comes from the engine that will be able by the electrical energy, the electrical vehicle by move through the power, and that power comes into the form of the current. So in the solar car on, we make a set of solar panels and that energy is observed by the quant. Practical applications of the solar energy. Solar street light. Here we can say that we use the street light and that light converts for cooking the food. Solar food we use that in the rural areas. Now solar energy advantages. There are so many advantages of the solar energy. The major advantage of the solar energy, that is no harmful gases obtained through the solar energy. It saves our money after the initial investment has been recovered. The energy from the sun is practically free. जैसा कि हमें पता है, it is the nature that the continuous obtain the energy through the sun. So first the installation cost is quite expensive, but when the installation process will be complete, there are no further use of any money. So you can say that the energy from the sun is practically free. The financial incentives are available from the government that will reduce your cost. Environment friendly, it is not affected by the supply and demand of fuel and is therefore not subjected to the ever increasing price of the gasoline. Solar system is clean, renewable, unlike gas, oil, and coal, sustainable and helping to protect our environment. As we see previously, it does not pollute air. Therefore, solar energy does not contribute to global warming, acid rain, or smog. So these are the major advantages through the solar energy that does not contribute to global warming, acid rain, or smoke. It actively contributes to the decrease of harmful greenhouse gas emissions by not using any fuel. Solar energy does not contribute to the cost and problems of the recovery and transportation of fuel or the storage of radioactive waste. Solar energy advantages. Low, low maintenance. Solar energy systems are virtually maintenance free and will last for decades. That very less maintenance is required from the solar energy. Once installed, there are no recurring costs. They operate silently, have no moving parts, do not release offensive smells, and do not require you to add any fuel. More solar panels can easily be added in the future when your family needs grow. Now, the main drawback of the solar energy. Although there are so many advantages, some disadvantages also be there. That the initial cost is the main disadvantage of the installing a solar energy system, largely because of the high cost of the semi-conducting material used in the building plant. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि सोलर सेल में जो मटेरियल यूज होता है दैट आर सिलिकॉन मटेरियल। अभी कुछ इस पर रिसर्च किया जा रहा है कि ऐसे मटेरियल को हम इस्तेमाल करें जिसके थ्रू एनर्जी सिलिकॉन मटेरियल से ही हमें एनर्जी ऑब्टेन होता है और फोटोवोल्टिक सेल मटेरियल जो हम बनाते हैं वो सिलिकॉन मटेरियल का ही होता है, बट इट इज़ क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव। सो we make a research in the process that instead of the silicon material, we use another material which are quite less expensive, and the cost of the solar energy is also high compared to the non-renewable utility supplied electricity. That the availability of the sun in the India that depend only 8 to 9 months in the rainy season or in the winter when the unavailability of the sun energy, then it is very difficult and it is not possible to obtain the energy from the solar energy. Solar panel also solar panel requires quite a large areas of installation to receive a good level of efficiency. The efficiency of the system also relies on the location of the sun, although this problem can be overcome with the installation of certain components. The production of the solar energy is influenced by the presence of the clouds or pollution of the air. So overall the production of the solar energy that depend upon the quality of the air, the atmosphere, availability of the pollution and unavailability of the pollution, and the present scenario of the clouds. So similarly, no solar energy will be produced during night time, although a battery backup system and or metering will solve this problem. As far as solar powered cars go, their slow speed might not appeal to everyone caught up nowadays in a running scenario. The final verdicts: a 1 kilowatt home solar system will prevent approximately 170 lbs of coal from being burned, 300 lbs of CO2 from being released into the atmosphere, and 105 gallons of water from being consumed each month. Tool for adoption and acceleration: the penalizing, attractive, and polluting fossil fuel energy, creative incentives, feed-in tariffs, net metering, rebates, consumer tax deductions, producing tax credits, invest in R&D. Solar energy collector, solar dish. This is the solar dish, this is the solar energy collector. Now, can solar do it all? No, but it can do much more than it does now. Old guys don't know about the solar design. It is up to the new graduates to promote the solar energy. Okay, thank you.